Right, let's talk rule of thirds. I bang on about rule of thirds a hell of a lot. Now, thankfully, the iPhone can help you with this as it gives you a grid. What's the grid? You can see it now. It's basically 9 squares that break a picture up into thirds. So you've got horizontal thirds and vertical thirds. Now, at each intersection, this is where you want to be placing stuff. We call that a point of interest. This is where you want to be placing your subject, like I'm doing right now. At each point of interest, this is where you want to be putting stuff. Whether it's your product, person, dog, child, whatever it is, this is the point of where you want to be doing it. You can thank me later because your pictures will go from 0 to hero. Listen, remember to follow us on all the socials. That's @Fountains Media, and please tag us.